So, for today's video guys, good evening sa inyong lahat. And, susubukan ko lang guys kumanta kung okay lang ba sa inyo. What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You got my hands spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical misty ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My hands underwater, but